everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, yes, I know, I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker for a mystery box. I'm a bigger sucker for Charlotte Tilbury products. Combine the two and yeah. So, first week of August. Right now I'm filming on, what's today? The 10th of August. This arrived really quickly. She's having a summer sale. Although, Charlotte, I'm angry with you. There are several products I've had on my wish list for quite some time. And she's having a sale. I'm like, yay, now's the time to scoop them up. No, she's out of all of the shades I need. So, when I saw this pop up at 50% off, mind you, this box was $121. I know, she's pricey. But in my head, I'm like, Charlotte Tilbury, half off? Yes, please. There were actually two boxes. The other box was like a glow box. I love a good glow, but I figured it would probably contain a lot of her skincare products, which are lovely, and I actually already own from the previous mystery boxes I've done. This one was touted as being makeup. So, that's the one I snatched. Enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what we got. Yes, it comes in the standard beautiful Charlotte Tilbury box, which has a magnetic closure. Does it get any bougier than that? I can't remember if it just came with two samples or if I was able to select them, but I got two. One is the Magic Serum and the other is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. Which, Charlotte, that's quite the slap in the face because this is one of the products I wanted to buy, but they're out of their lightest shades. Please don't have a sale and don't have what I want to buy. That's just mean. Alright, enough rambling. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. It's all beautifully packaged with the lovely burgundy tissue paper and a rose gold sticker. Alright, there are 5 products, which for $121 doesn't seem very good, but it's Charlotte Tilbury, so you know they're going to be bougie pricey. By the way, if I'm looking pasty pale, it's because A, yes, I'm fair, and B, I only have foundation, mascara, and a little bit of lip product because I'm hoping this all makeup mystery box, I'll get some products I can throw on my face. Alright, let's dive in and grab the first item. What do we have here? Looks like a lip product possibly. It says Tinted Love and it's a lip and cheek tint. Ooh, my cheeks could use some tint. This is in the shade Bohemian Kiss. This is what the packaging looks like. Charlotte, not as bougie as this is plastic. Just surprised me. Nothing wrong. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it has a triangular short stubby doe foot. Let's do a swatch. It's a rather peachy shade. Alright, let's see. Does it have a scent? Ooh, it's sweet, fruity, but no specific fruit. It's lovely. Let's throw some on my face. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. It scared me because it looked rather dark. So before you blend it, it looks like that. This is what it looks like blended out. And then when I put it on my lips, it kind of was dark, but then it sheared right out. Not sticky. Very cooling and definitely feels more like what I would wear on my lips than on my cheeks. But we're going to give it a try on the cheeks. I'm just going to take what's on my hand and put it on my face. It is very subtle. I don't even know if anything's picking up on camera. My lights tend to wash me out. In person, I can barely see it. I personally don't, when a formula is very wet and feels comfortable on the lips, not my favorite for my cheeks. But, alright, next item. What do we have here? Shiny box. This is the Brow Fix. It's a clear brow gel. All right. You may or may not know, I don't do my brows. I don't know. I never have. I feel like they don't need love. Although I normally will just brush them through with a spoolie. Guess what? Filming midweek in a hurry, forgot to do that. So we will take this bad boy for a spin because I'm sure my brows need some love. I don't really do my brows, so I don't know what to say about it. It's still wet, so let's let it settle down and I'll let you know if it's crunchy or not. All right, next product, another tiny box. What are you? Okay, so this is a Hyaluronic plus Happikiss Color Balm. Ooh, I think I have one of these or have received one in the past. This here is in the shade Happiberry. Is that a real thing, or is she just, instead of saying happiness, she's changing ness with berry and it's Happiberry? I don't know. But I have a feeling I'm not going to like the shade, but let me get it out of the box and take a look. Because if you're new to my channel, welcome. Feel free to subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video while you're here. I am what you would call a nudie pink lip type of a person. And what's on my lips now is what I consider a little too dark. But let's take a look here. All right. Oh, yes. That's very dark. Although is it one that's dark that shears out? I don't want to risk it. And guess what? This will be a lovely product to put in my 1K giveaway. All right. Next item. Ooh. It's a palette of some sort. What are you? Ooh, it's the Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic. Yes, no. Please be a really good color. It's Pillow Talk, so it should be good. Her Pillow Talk is that kind of nudie pink. Yes, I have been eyeing this blush with the inner circle for months. I'm frugal. I want to pick it up on sale and not pay full price. So yay. OMG. All right, let me get a brush and throw this on my face. But first, I want to do a swatch. I'm curious, the inner shade versus the outer ring. Interesting. On my hand, you can barely see. Here's the light shade and the darker shade. But look on my finger. Look, the blush looks really dark there. But on my hand, like, where is it? Like, right there. Interesting. The softer middle shade, it has a shimmer. The outer ring has a subtle, so they're both shimmery, but the inner circle is a little more shimmery than the outer circle. I'm just going to swoosh them all together and see what it looks like on my face. Okay, yes, it showed up on my face more than, I don't know, the swatches on my hand weren't very pigmented. So yes, let me do the other side and then move on to the biggest item in the box that I've been saving for last. All right, and the last item is a palette, and not one of those quads. This is the Instant Eye Palette, Smoky Eyes Are Forever. It claims there are 4 hypnotic eye glow looks. I'm not familiar with this palette. Ooh. It's plastic, but it has that same, I don't know if it'll pick up. If you're familiar with her other metal packaging, it has those rays of stripes. Okay, here is the color story. Ooh, lots of shimmers. Smaller pans than what I was expecting. Very narrow, which isn't bad. Just sometimes, depending on what kind of brush you're using, it makes it a little harder to just get the one shade and not have your brush plop over to the other side. All right, let's do some swatches. Okay, there are the swatches. Look how beautiful. There are 5 mattes and 7 shimmers. It's a 12-pan palette. OMG. Look, it opens completely flat. Thank you, Charlotte. I hate when palettes and compacts like only go like so. All right, time for the eye look. the final look. What are your thoughts? Let me know if you've heard of this palette before. Do you own it? What are your thoughts about the more narrow, smaller pans? Does that bother you? Are you okay with it? The color story is very lovely. These are some greens. I almost did that, but I thought, nah, I'm boring. Let me go in with the nude pinks and taupey browns. Next time, I promise, I will someday do a green eye look. Oh, I forgot to give an update. Not crunchy. You can tell there's product in there. I mean, when I touch it, I can't feel it just sitting here. So I think that's a good thing. All right, let's recap everything that came in this box. So we got a lip and cheek tint, a clear brow gel, a Hyaluronic plus Happikiss lip balm, the Cheek to Chic blush in Pillow Talk, and the Instant Eye Palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, it's $121 for 5 products, which sounds like a lot, but it's Charlotte Tilbury. I know her quad eyeshadow palettes are $53. I don't even want to speculate how much this palette costs. I want to say these blushes are $43, $45. This lip stain or cheek stain, it looks nicer once I put a gloss on top. And by the way, the gloss I put on top is from Charlotte Tilbury. I got this last year in some mystery box. I really love and enjoy this. Love the formula and particularly love the shade. This is in Blondie, I believe. The brow product, Charlotte, come on. I don't know. I just, maybe because I don't do my brows, I just figure if you're going to get a mystery box, you want something a little more exciting than a clear brow gel? I don't know. Leave me a comment and let me know if you agree with that. Super bummed. This is like the second one of these I've received. Don't know where my other one is. Maybe I put it in a giveaway. Again, it's with the shade that's too dark for me. But leave me your thoughts. Do you think this was worth $121? I guess once I see the MSRP, I may feel better. Speaking of which, I'm going to list the total value. Let me know your thoughts. Do you feel this was worth $121? Or do you feel maybe the brow gel could have been swapped out for something else? Maybe a different shade of lip product? Or is that just me because I am a nudie pink gal all day long? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.